Hello, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the new subscribers. I love you all. You guys are awesome. Today, I'm going to make a yin yang inspired bracelet using plastic and clay flat discs. And I'm going to use my new bead crafts bead spinner. A friend of mine asked me to show her some of my work, so I'm going to try it out. Hopefully this will work. Third time's the charm, because the first couple times I screwed it up. Don't ask me how I did that. It was more of a recording issue than anything else. So I have like about a foot of string held on to a jeweler's clamp here so I don't lose the string. Right now I'm just gonna do half with the beads. I'm getting better, at least. No, I'm not. Oh my god. Yeah, whenever I try something new, I screw it up big time. So you're watching me screw up because I'm not starting this again. Don't ask me how I screwed it up because I don't know. Oh, I see what happened. This fell apart. This sucks. Ugh, I'm gonna have to use it. Something I didn't want to have to do. Okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna put this. Oh, this sucks. You know what? I'm just gonna super glue this later. Screw it. Oh, please. What? I hope this one doesn't fall apart on me. I really do. because I really don't feel like starting this over again. And why are you screaming? I'm having a really bad time with this, aren't I? It was so much easier earlier, but the camera wasn't working right. I'm gonna lose it again. And you guys get to see how flustered I'm going to get. That's okay. The first time I try anything, it always looks like or ends up crappy. Nothing new for me. Oh, for God's sakes. Oh, we're halfway through, so it's time to put in my yin yang beads. Okay, come on. Focus. And I have a little heart. And another yin yang bead with a white border instead of a black. Oh. Ah. She's so peach. And another inch. All I want is to make a bracelet. Probably would have gotten this done sooner if I didn't do it this way. Close enough. It's taken me forever to make something so simple. Yes, and I'm nervous. I get nervous easily. Maybe I should have just used regular string. I don't know. And there we have it. Yin Yang inspired bracelet. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed my mistakes and my nervous skills. But that's all I have left for you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with me. And thank you for watching the whole thing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do all the other stuff. Have a great day. Namaste. Bye-bye.